Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Yes? Oh, good morning, my YouTube family. Welcome once again. It's been a while, but I'm back. Yeah, it's just been lazy. So much has been happening. So I've not been able, I've been taking videos, but editing has been like a problem. But today on this vlog, we're going to watch so many things that went down. Oh my god, like it's been like it's 1 week since I uploaded a video, and so it's going to be like a confused video over here. So many things happened, bad and good, but we thank God and we move. So first of all, we are going to start the video with some sad moments by this. I mean that what I mean is that we had a funeral, a send-off of a brother, a friend, a good friend, too young to die, Ibra. But it is well, yeah. God is the one who knows everything. So we had his burial, which happened over the weekend. We traveled to the villages and we are here back. Life has to go on, but and we thank God for everything. So we are going to watch all that in this vlog. Then on this vlog, what happened again, it's all about changing. Oh, there's one of my Uber cars that I changed my, it's called engine mounting for the first time. It's going to happen here. Then finally, I also managed to sell my semi-automatic washing machine. I sold it very far. It went to Kiambu. I'm telling you guys from here. I'm just having hopes that I can have there's something I've been wanting for so long. I want an automatic machine with a dryer. So that's my next dream. So that's why I had to do away with that, with the semi one, so that I can even have a chance and work hard so that I get what I want. Then on this vlog again, I managed to buy some things. I've been wanting a double decker bed for so long, but I thank God we finally have it. You're going to see I went all the way to Ngong Road to get that. And also I changed my as you can see at the background, my live my plants, my flowers I have, and which I bought also along Ngong Road. And what else? Oh, mirror. I'm so excited. I got the full mirror also along Ngong Road, which you're going to see on this vlog. Then let us also see if we are pregnant on this video, because we don't know if it's money. You know, if you more money, your body also changes or what. We also watch this video so that we see if we are expectant or not. Yeah, fingers crossed. All these are going to happen on this vlog. And not forgetting work. I've been busy because of work, so you're going to also to see some clips about me working here, having meetings here and there. Yeah, hope everybody has been well. And if at all you're watching me for the first time, kindly consider subscribing to this channel. If at all you're my returning gang, mad love, and continue keeping up with Beryl. Watch till the end. Don't. Yeah, welcome guys, welcome to my vlog. So today we are having like a send off to a friend, to a brother, Ibra. So we are at his it's a farewell church service. Watch till the end. Nakwambia ditch. Niko busy. I'm so busy. Hata kwanza ningechukua hata na huko.
Say what you want. Sema kinomana.
Kama tubebea thermos.
Asante sana.
Leo wengi sana hapa.
Kumbe mmeshiba.
Thermos.
Naona mnasikia baridi.
You're affected. I said when
Or infected.
are you infected or affected?
Blood of Jesus.
Unajibigi nini? Unajibigi tu unajibu vitu tu.
Wababas. Akikwambia ndio. Ibrahim mwenyango nakwambia. Tu Ibrahim mwenyango. Hata najua penye yuko amefurahi.
Babako my brother. Kachumbari. Kachumbari. Manoka sinda. Manoka sinda. Yasembo. Manoka sinda. Tutatokezea expressway ya kutoka Mheshimiwa Ria. Mheshimiwa Mutura kila siku. Mutura tunataka kila siku. Mheshimiwa anasema nini?
Tusaidie na zile dawa za hawa wagonjwa. Mimi CDF naongeza hizo wagonjwa wamekuwa wengi. Wagonjwa wamekuwa wengi. Wewe secretary, ongeza dawa. Wagonjwa wamekuwa wengi.
Mapiano yaendelee.
Allah.
Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing, do nothing. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed,
Hakuna kazi hapa.
Wake up with you. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing.
UAP, Old Mutual,
CBA,
CDC, TTT, KCB. No comment.
Say what you wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know I was feeling
Asante kwa kuja.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake
Hai. Asante.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
Wache mchezo, si ndio? So this is the mounting. It's the left side and not the right side, which has a problem. Ona sasa what? So this is the gate pass. Yes, so this is the washing machine to upgrade. Nimekwambia hizi tosha, lazima itoshe hivi mbili. Hata wewe sijui utaona nyuma. But iko sawa, si ndio?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me
Elefantia zilikuwa ni masikio ya ndovu. Nikwambie. Lukwara?
Pam.
Lukwara Pam.
Yeah.
Pam. Lukwara Pam.
Yeah. Anga punta le maoga alipaliweka.
Sufanye basi bei poa cause nimekupromote. Ndio kila kitu
Unajua nimeenda kwa hizo mbao za matandiko zimepanda.
Si walisema una nguvu. Si walisema una nguvu. Everything.
Okay, wait, is that on Netflix?
Oh, you specifically on Netflix?
No. Sorry, go ahead. Favorite movie, series, recommendation?
Honestly, I like to watch daily to the lot, so the Kardashians is actually one of my favorite series. Just because
Nice, Kardashians ni poa.
to see the fashion.
to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing. Say what you wanna say to me now.
One of my plants that I bought in Ghana. This is how it looks like.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me the fake to me now.
Our second plant is here. That's by Skittle, but oh my god, because of it was on a pickup. So this is what happened. I'm telling you, the leaves were so we had to tie it. We are hoping it will cooperate. We'll have it back. Wine. We had to buy wine. I'm just having my breakfast over here. I have my Skittles. That's why we're asking, are we pregnant or not? These are Skittles. I really love Skittles of late. I'm eating my leftover chapati and my tea over there and writing shopping lists. It's a weekend, it's Saturday. Planning to step out.